What is up, everybody? This is EA, bringing you guys back another video, and as I'm starting this insurance channel, I thought the best way to start is to start from square one. How I got started in insurance, what did I do to get into the industry? And forgive me, I know I sound a little nasally right now. As soon as I made this YouTube channel, I ended up getting sick. That's just my luck. So I still want to pump out a video for you guys, so let's hop in. So back in 2020, I was supposed to graduate college, but as we all know, COVID broke out that year. So a lot of the job opportunities that I had lined up at the time all pretty much vanished due to everyone going into quarantine. During this time, I did look at opportunities, see what was going to be a best fit for me. As I'm graduating college, I just want to look for my next long-term career. I had bounced around a few jobs trying to figure out what I like, and my fiance at the time, who's now my beautiful wife that I love so much, her father was a State Farm agent for the last 18 years. So I had conversations with him about it, never really gave much thought to it. But one day he did ask me, what do you think of insurance? And I knew I always wanted to eventually have my own book of business, something that I can grow and enjoy for the long term of my career. I really love helping people and building relationships, and so when I talked to him more about it, that is exactly what he confirmed. He had told me that insurance is a business of relationships. You have to have relationships with your clients and insureds along with your referral partners, and it's great to have a product that, whether people want it or not, they absolutely need it. If you have a car, you have to have car insurance. If you have a home and you have a mortgage on it, you have to have homeowners insurance. Life is a little bit more optional, but you still want to provide families help by providing them life insurance. That way, God forbid anything happens to them, they leave their family with generational wealth. So I started doing a little bit more research on my own and just kind of looked into it a lot more. And after a while, I felt that it best fits my views. I don't feel like I have to go off scripts. I don't feel like I have to lure people into buying this product. Again, this is a product that everybody needs. I just get the joy of building relationships alongside of doing insurance. So he was the real reason that I ended up even giving insurance a shot, and I ended up really loving it. And he even told me before, if it's something that I don't enjoy, if it's, we're 3 to 4 months into it and you're just not having any fun at all, you absolutely despise it, totally understand. But he had told me, just knowing me, I think you'd really love this industry, and let's get you into something that you'd really enjoy. So I agreed, and I ended up signing up for a class, and like I said, I had a couple months of time, so I wasn't really rushing anything. I had plenty of time to get prepared for the tests, for the state exams, which I'll talk probably in the next video of how I studied and what I did to pass the exams, but for the sake of this video, I'll just keep it short and sweet. I ended up eventually getting my license and joining the insurance industry, and I'm so glad I did. I've been in it for about 3 years now, and I don't regret it at all. Building relationships has been great with prospects, with current insureds that's in our book of business, and being able to feel like I can go to bed every night knowing that I am helping people with the product that I sell, it's the best feeling in the world. And so just being able to enjoy your job alone is a huge, huge gift. So it's something that I've really loved doing. This is why I'm making even this channel, is to help share knowledge of insurance with others, along with inspiring and encouraging others to become agents themselves. Like I said before, it's a great industry. I'm just glad to be in it. And if it wasn't for that conversation, if it wasn't for him getting my foot in the door, probably wouldn't have this YouTube channel, probably wouldn't really have an idea where I'd be. But I'm just glad that it all worked out, and this is the business for me. I know this is not the craziest story. I know this sounded pretty simple and short to the point, but it's my story. And going back and just thinking 3 years ago how it all started, it's still fun, and I'm still so glad that I made that decision. If I can go back and tell Evan's old self, was it worth it? Yes, absolutely was worth it. As I'm uploading videos to my channel, it's really cool just to start kind of how I did from ground zero and build it to where I am today. Kind of that step-by-step guide on how to become an agent, when you are an agent, what's kind of next steps. And I hope that this is a good step-by-step guide for those out there who are interested in becoming an agent themselves, or just curious about questions in insurance. So if you guys have made it this far in the video, I thank you for taking time to watch it and stopping by my channel. I look forward to making more videos regarding the next steps in insurance, and hope to see you guys there soon. See you in the next one.